Yeah. Hi everyone, I'm Raymond Periara. This is my studio Atelier in Colva. Uh, I've been recently conducting a lot of craft and art workshops. Today is Resin Art workshop, and here are the participants. In Resin Art, we use two components. That is, you have a resin and you have a hardener. It is the epoxy in the technical term, which we mix together to create wonderful art pieces like a tea coaster, or with a sea or ocean inlay. You have with stickers, or you have a floral tea coaster inlay. With that, we have a variety of molds which you can do keychains, something like this, or you can make pendants with inlays of flowers and plants, or even shells. And for this workshop, I introduced to the participants how to create a sea coaster, coasters with stickers, inlay, and flowers, and also gave a lot of inputs on how to use the different materials, like from different molds to different kinds of resin to the different kind of colors. Like in resin, we use mainly three different kind of colors, which is alcohol inks, you have pigment paints, and you have mica powder, or you have glitters. So these are the basics, what are the materials what we use, and with this the creativity of the participant is shown in the different works they have done.
Hi, my name is Evangeline. So basically, during this workshop session that we did, we basically made a lot of resin stuff, like example keychains, bookmarks, and we also made some kind of jewelry, example some necklaces. So yeah, basically we used our creativity and we created stuff. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Alicia. I'm from Salcete, and I came here for this workshop. I've done a pendant and a small sticker art.